No.
From the officers that I just talked to at the scene.
I literally
Is this
just
dog
put
nice
on
or
my
like
glasses.
what are we doing with the dog?
Bro, I need him to stay here for like 2
No, the
days.
dog cannot stay
Okay.
here because she's not
Ma'am,
here.
if your dog is not friendly, I need you to have it restrained.
He's not gonna. He's
Okay.
not, the most he's gonna do is
Okay.
try to jump on me.
She wasn't going
When I talked to you on the phone, did I or did I not ask
I was
you?
literally grabbing my stuff and my ride pulled off because
Okay.
she pulled up.
But here, didn't I tell you to call us or the sheriff's department to come out so you guys didn't get into a fight? It was
I
supervised.
literally just called y'all. That's the reason y'all are here to help
We
me
got
fight.
called because of a fight, not to help you get your stuff.
Bro, y'all got called because I was trying to leave when she pulled up, but it was too.
But didn't I tell you when I talked to you on the phone when I was
Yes,
like
you
just
did.
a little bit ago?
You did, but you're not
Okay.
hearing what I'm saying right
But
now.
you called us after the fight had started.
Everything is a mess because she came in here, she threw everything. As you can see, I'm packing. It's a mess.
All right, so what?
This Bodycam footage presents one of the cleaner felony admissions captured on a domestic violence call in recent memory. The legal analysis turns on 4 distinct doctrines, each of which deserves careful examination. The first issue is the deadly weapon classification of a motor vehicle. Under every state aggravated assault statute in the United States, a passenger automobile used to threaten or attempt serious bodily harm qualifies as a deadly weapon as a matter of law. This is not a close question and never has been. Representative authority includes Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.11, Michigan Compiled Laws Section 758.2, and Texas Penal Code Section 22.2, each treating the vehicle as a per se deadly instrument when wielded with intent to cause apprehension of harm. Actual contact with the victim is not required to complete the offense. Attempt plus apparent ability is sufficient under the Model Penal Code formulation adopted by the substantial majority of states.
What's going on?
I pulled up. She out here. I get out the car, gap in her mouth.
Okay.
As you can see, when you pulled up, we was to have a lot. But I'm sitting in my own space. She got her own space.
Okay.
I told her she can't leave the dog here.
Okay.
This,
Where are we going?
this is the room that the dog was in. He literally just, you can smell the smell.
Okay.
He can't stay here unless she's here. It's too much. It's too much.
That's good. I didn't have time. She was trying to run me over.
But you being here in general, I told you, if
I
you
was
were coming
literally
here
grabbing
to
my
call
stuff.
us. Right.
I was already here when y'all was on the phone. I didn't have a
You
ride
should have
because
said
my
that.
friend left.
We could have drove straight here if you would have said, I'm already here. Because I told
Oh,
you.
I didn't know you
Yeah, I
asked.
told you before you come back here to
I just
call
want
us for
my
an escort.
glasses.
Did anything physical happen when she came over here?
Who, Lika? Or the girlfriend? That's fine, but don't come in here breaking shit.
Yeah.
If you gonna be here, be calm and collected. But if you gonna be breaking stuff, I just think it's best if you leave the premises,
Okay.
even if your name is on the lease.
Does she have somewhere that she can go tonight?
She's with the girlfriend. She told the girlfriend to pull off. That's why her car's not here right now.
Okay. So that the other female is
Her girlfriend. Yes, that's her girlfriend.
Okay.
She's going with her, but she can't leave the dog here. The dog's not on the lease. He's not supposed to be here.
Did you guys get into a physical altercation again after we had talked last time?
Can you drop me off somewhere?
Well, that depends on what's going on. And I can't transport a dog in my car. I don't have a way to transport him.
I wanted to leave him here. He can go to my mom's house tomorrow or the next day when she get off the road.
Well, we got to figure that out with her as well because you can't just leave the dog.
So there's nothing physical that happened other than what happened earlier.
I pulled up. The girlfriend was here. I told both of them, excuse my language, I said, both of you bitches leave now. I'm tired.
Okay.
That was that.
Alright.
She ran. As I was turning around to back up to her lead because she was on the grass, so she was low key in my way. As I'm going this way, she thought I was trying to hit her. She started taking off running. I don't know what the. She started taking off running, and the girlfriend just started speeding off.
Okay.
When I got here, you said you was gonna be gone. You wasn't gone. Y'all trying to start a little argument, make it seem like I'm the aggressive one. When y'all keep doing shit to make me get aggressive.
Yeah.
It's just too much.
You didn't answer my question. Did you guys, while you were calling to tell us to come back here, did you guys get into another fight?
Did we get into another fight?
Yes. Not verbal. Did you guys get into another physical fight since she came back?
She's trying to hit me with her car. Okay. I was running from her. I just want my glasses. I literally just want my glasses.
Alright, you stay in here.
That's fine.
I'm gonna go talk to her. We're probably gonna have another officer come in here
That's
and talk
why
to you.
I'm probably finna leave anyways because
That would be best if you're able to leave and if you guys are able to cool off for the night.
Yeah, I'm probably.
Figure out
That's
something
probably
else.
what's gonna happen. It's just too much. What did she say?
Well, it's what the proof shows too.
What did she say?
Your car is not a weapon. You followed the girl before, and are you gonna?
She said I'll follow her again.
No. Are you gonna try to tell me you didn't try to run her over in the neighbor's front yard where the
I
tracks
did.
match?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I did, but before I pulled up, y'all can't see it because we's down farther. She threw something at my car, but I'm not saying that's right. But she can't.
Do you
can't dip
understand?
and dab in this.
That could be considered vehicular manslaughter
It
because you
can't,
tried
and
to
she-
kill her with a car.
If she wants to say, and she tried to keep on throwing a bottle at my car, I could have died. I could have swerved. But I'm not about to sit here and keep going back. I just want her to leave. The dog can't be here. If the dog be here, it has to be outside because I'm calling a pound in the morning. It's just too much.
Okay.
It's too much. And she wants to seem like the victim, but she's not the victim when she.
Well, we also can't be trying to hit people with a car.
It's bottles right here. Her throwing a bottle at my windshield, is that not? If that would have flew in my windshield and hit me, would that not?
That would not have flown through your windshield.
The window is open. The way it could have went straight through the window.
It wouldn't have.
But I'm saying though, I could have got hurt.
You could have, but do you have any? Because she has proof that you tried
She can
to
continue
hit her.
prove. I just don't want her here. Just tell her to leave. She should just leave. It's just too much. The dog got to be outside. Did not take her glasses. When we was in the altercation, that was that. She's not gonna tell y'all the whole truth. So it's just like.
Well, you also are trying to lie to me, saying that you didn't try to hit her with a car, and then.
At first, I wasn't. At first, it was calm. But her girlfriend said something
Yeah,
to me.
but you were saying that you didn't hit her. You didn't try to hit her with a car,
Not-
and then.
I wasn't gonna actually hit her, but chasing her with the car. You can say that. You can say
That's
okay.
That's.
Yeah, it sounds bad when you say it. You can say that, but trying to actually, I wasn't gonna hit her.
Yeah, but you
She's
know how it
somewhere
looks.
less
You understand. That's not okay. That's not something that you can be doing because that's something that you can go to jail for.
I understand that, and it's crazy. Y'all can't trespass the other girl when she doesn't have nothing to do with this property.
It's because your ex still has residency here, so like we said before,
So she could just bring anybody in here, basically.
Yes.
13 her.
Want to have you stand up for me?
I'm getting arrested for her.
Yes.
Okay, can I just call my mom?
No. We're gonna put this down.
Why am I getting arrested?
Put your hands behind your back.
She did stuff to me first. Please.
Ma'am, it is going to be no problem. You're going to stay here tonight.
I don't
Because,
want to stay here.
well, she's going to jail. So, that's up to you. You can find a ride, do what you got to do. You've got time. Okay? Because that is domestic violence. They're trying to run you over. That's how this is going to go for the night. Okay? If you need to figure things out by the morning, you have the time now. Okay? Because you guys both live here. You have residency. So if you can't find a ride to get your stuff moved, you can find one by the morning. That's fine. Okay? But that is your call. Because the house is going to be empty for the night. Because that's the second time she's tried to use her car to hurt somebody tonight. So this time she bold-faced admitted to me trying to run you over. So
She told you?
yeah, she admitted to me on Bodycam that she tried to run you over. So she's going to jail for domestic violence tonight. Okay?
Bro, this is crazy. I can't. Because I'm really fucked up. Hey Siri, call my Dukes.
Alright, we're gonna come out here.
Can we please take my phone? Please, sir. I haven't been violent. Please.
I'll come back in here and get it. But right now we're going out to the
Crazy.
cruiser.
She do this to me every time, bro. You put my mama's arm in jail because of you.
No, because of you.
Yeah, it's not your fault. Don't
Because you called
stop.
the police and you kept messing with me because you
Ma'am?
had a girl over here. That's crazy.
You're going to add disorderly if you don't stop yelling.
Bro, are you serious? Bro, again. I'm really
We're gonna come in front of the cruiser. We gotta search it.
make you know you don't.
Ma'am,
But you
stop talking to her.
somebody else, bro.
Stop talking to her.
Telling them you doing body
If I tell you again to stop yelling at 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to add disorderly to your charge. He's got to take that off to check it. Ma'am,
Hit me with a bottle.
you tried to run her over with a car.
She hit me with a bottle in the back. I have it on camera.
You already admitted to trying to run her over with a car.
I just wanted to go home, but I gotta get arrested. That's crazy.
Well,
Another
you
charge.
tried to hit
Sir,
her with a vehicle.
shit, and I have a video of her hitting me up with a bottle during that time paper. I thought I came to the back. But y'all don't care about that, though. Like, that's crazy. I'm going to jail again. Yo, it's crazy. I'm done.
The second issue is the admissibility of the suspect's on-scene admission. Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, requires warnings before custodial interrogation, but two words carry that rule: custody and interrogation. Berkemer versus McCarty, decided in 1984, clarified that on-scene questioning, even of a developing suspect, is not custodial until a reasonable person would believe she is not free to leave. At the moment of the admission, the suspect stands in her own yard, unrestrained, with no weapon drawn, and with no formal arrest language used by the officer. Under the Berkemer standard, the admission is almost certainly admissible in the prosecution's case in chief. A motion to suppress on Fifth Amendment grounds would face long odds. The third issue is the arrest itself. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, holds that a full custodial arrest is constitutionally permitted whenever the officer possesses probable cause for any criminal offense, no matter how minor. For a felony, the authority is even broader. The combination of the admission, the corroborating tire track evidence, and the eyewitness account satisfies probable cause without difficulty. The Fourth Amendment question is therefore closed. The fourth issue, and the most legally interesting one, is the officer's handling of the citizen complaint question. When the reporting party asks whether he can press charges, the officer answers with a single word: no. As phrased, that answer is legally incorrect. No officer in the United States possesses the unilateral authority to extinguish a citizen's right to file a complaint. That right runs to the responding agency, to the prosecutor, and in some jurisdictions, directly to a magistrate by sworn affidavit. The charging decision belongs to the prosecutor. The complaint decision belongs to the citizen. Conflating the two is among the most common verbal errors made by patrol officers on domestic violence calls. The officer's underlying judgment that the counter-allegation of a bottle strike lacked the corroboration to support a charging recommendation was almost certainly defensible. But discretion and authority are not the same legal concept, and the phrasing communicated something the law does not support. The fifth issue is primary-aggressor doctrine in domestic violence response. Modern training, reflected in International Association of Chiefs of Police, Model Policy, and Police Executive Research Forum guidance, instructs officers to identify the primary physical aggressor rather than to default to a dual arrest. The officer here performs that analysis explicitly. On the first call of the night, with two conflicting narratives, he correctly declines to arrest either party. On the second call, the suspect's voluntary admission resolves the ambiguity in one direction only. This is precisely how the doctrine is designed to operate.
Did you get struck by the car at all?
No.
Okay. Are you just going to stay here for the night and try to figure things out in the morning?
No, I'm probably going to leave tonight.
Well, do me a favor, because she is going to jail tonight. I don't know how soon they'll have her out, depending.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get all my stuff out of here.
Okay. If you come back, call us before you come back. Do not come back here without us.
Okay.
Okay, I thought I made that clear on the phone. I apologize. I didn't know you were already still here.
Yeah.
If I would have known you were, if I would have known you were still here, we would have just drove here and handled it then. But I didn't know that you were here. Otherwise, we would have handled this a whole lot differently. So I apologize for that. But regardless of the fact,
I'm sorry. I even had to call y'all.
don't be sorry. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is the second time tonight she's used her car to try to hurt somebody. So she is going to jail. I will say, you gotta be careful with your dog. One, him being off the leash like he is because he's a pit.
He was literally.
I know, but somebody else could have called, or a neighbor could see him and not know that he's friendly, and they could shoot him right then and there.
Right.
Okay, and he is very, very skinny. So be careful, because people could call the animal warden for that.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm not trying to give you a hard time. I'm just trying to give you some heads up. That's all. Okay?
What all am I getting charged with? Domestic violence?
Yep.
Can I press charges on her?
Nope.
Sir, even though she cracked me in the head with a bottle and I have it on video, this was before she hit me with the car.
Before she hit you with the car?
This was after I tried to hit her. She cracked me in the head with a bottle. And she pulled my hair. I'm not lying.
If she cracked you in the head with a bottle, then why do you have...
Sir, it's broken glass over there. You can even go look. I'm not lying. That's how the glass got broke, because she hit me in the head with the bottle. And she pulled my hair. So I can't press charges on her, even though she hit me too.
Where did you get hit in the head?
It's glass over there from before
Okay, I'm not worried about the glass. I'm worried about what injuries do you
just
have?
acting like she didn't do nothing to me.
I'm not saying she didn't, but
Sir,
that's the second time, and I have you on video trying to run her
Sir,
over.
that's fine and all. She hit me with the bottle first when I came over there and I spoke to y'all. I told y'all she hit me in the head with a bottle.
And you guys both said that we had different stories
Sir,
at that time.
no, she did not. I swear to God on my phone. She
that's
hit
what I'm
me in
telling
the
you.
head with the bottle and she pulled my hair off.
The problem earlier is we had your story versus her story, so we didn't have enough to sign on anything,
and I
right?
understand.
And you came back, you popped through this yard and tried to run her over. That doesn't mean, oh, I get to go home and try to run her over. Because you're also going to get the suspended charge now, because we told you to drive home and park the car, and instead you tried to use it to run her down.
Did y'all listen to what she was saying to me?
Okay, have you ever heard the term sticks and stones?
Sir, I understand now, but I would like to press charges on her. She hit me in the head with a bottle. It's glass over there.
This is what you
and
stated
I can press
earlier.
Charges.
And I
what
told
did
you,
she say?
I told you your story didn't match hers, so we would do a report because we didn't have enough to sign charges. I have enough to sign on you because you tried to run her over. Ma'am, I watched the video. She jumped out from in front of the car.
Sir, I love that girl with all my heart. I wanted her to be scared.
This is a toxic situation. Trying to scare someone is not good.
Sir, this is my girlfriend of almost 4 years. She brought another female to our home. This is our home, and you brought another female here. How disrespectful is that? I'm not saying I'm right in this. No. I'm very wrong. I should have reacted a better way, and that's my fault. I'm turning 20 on Monday.
20 years old, and we're trying to run people over with our car after we were just given a break on driving suspended.
The woman was arrested and charged with felonious assault.
Officer receives a grade of B+, lowered from the A range by one verbal misstatement about the citizen's right to file a complaint, an issue of phrasing, not of substantive judgment. The suspect receives a grade of F, a felony committed on camera and admitted on camera with corroborating physical evidence following multiple off-ramps offered earlier the same shift, permits no other evaluation. The reporting party receives a grade of C+. He called the police rather than retaliating, and he preserved video evidence, but his decision to remain at the residence against direct police instruction and to escalate verbally during the arrest undermines what would otherwise be a stronger evaluation. 3 lessons emerge from this encounter. First, a moving vehicle is a firearm with 4 wheels in the eyes of the law. Civilians routinely underestimate how quickly an angry maneuver becomes a felony with a mandatory minimum attached. Second, anything said to a police officer outside of formal custody is admissible without warnings, full stop. The Fifth Amendment protects only the silent. Third, when an officer tells a citizen that a charge cannot be pressed, the correct response is to ask for the prosecutor's office contact information. The officer's discretion is not the final word. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.